Hey everyone, so today's the day I'm going to case mod my girlfriend's PC. Alright, so this is my first time actually doing any form of case modding, so a little bit nervous. But first things first, I need to pull my girlfriend's PC apart. Alright, so I've now finished cutting up my girlfriend's case and I've reinstalled all the parts. I've got the Cooler Master vertical mount in there and it looks great. Peace of mind on me of the graphics card is further away from the side panel so I can breathe easier. I also needed up the cable management, so now you don't see all the cables where the power supply trails doesn't hide them. Although you still do see some of the purple SATA cable, but really in the grand scheme of things, in comparison to it being basically all the cables to now about 2, it's much better. So one thing I wanted to mention though was when I was case modding the case, even though it wasn't the biggest case mod, it wasn't crazy or anything, it was just cut brackets off. When I was cutting it and the sparks would come and it would come close, I was like, ooh, I'm laughing at it a bit now. When it got to like the last couple of brackets, I was a little bit more comfortable. I was just pushing it in and thing just to get it over and done with. I want to know if you guys have case modded a case. Like, have you painted one, cut one up? Like, even if it's like an old school case that has no side panel that's glass or acrylic, it was just all steel on all sides and you just cut it up just to put an acrylic panel in so that you can see inside the case. Like, have you done any form of case modding? That's really all I have for you today. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. If you want to see more content by me, hit that subscribe button, as well as make sure that bell notification is turned on so you stay up to date. And yeah, see you all next time in the next video. See ya.